I always have two mouths to feed whenever it comes to hibiscus, aka zobo. My hair drinks it as well as my mouth drinks it. Okay, so today's video is about hibiscus, aka zobo, which is rich in essential nutrients that promote hair growth and also prevent hair itching. If you truly want this video, if you don't know the benefits of hibiscus to the hair, please stay tuned and keep watching. Hibiscus leaf, aka zobo, also acts as a natural hair color to mask gray hairs. Okay, hibiscus contains vitamin C and A and also iron. It also contains antioxidants, melanin, that gives hair its natural color. It also provides a darker shine to your natural hair color. As we all know, excessive oil secretion can cause issues like dandruff and itching scalp. To deal with these problems, hibiscus can be a good option. Hibiscus also contain amino acids that prevent essential nutrients to dormant follicles and stimulate new hair growth. Hibiscus also makes your hair firmly rooted. Flavonoids, due to presence of a compound called flavonoids in hibiscus, it also improves blood circulation to your hair follicles, which makes your hair strong from the root. Hibiscus deeply conditions hair strands. It also locks in your hair moisture and acts as a natural ultra emollient that traps moisture in your hair and prevents your hair from becoming dry and frizzy. Hibiscus leaves and flowers contain a high amount of mucilage that acts as a natural conditioner and restores elasticity in your hair. It also makes your hair silky and smooth and also prevents split ends. So if you carefully follow this video, or if you are carefully following this video, you should be able to do your own hibiscus hair tea at home for your hair and also for your drink. So video credit goes like this: hibiscus leaf into a glass bottle. After we pour hot water, we allow it to simmer for 30 minutes to 1 hour, depending on how well you want it to infuse into the water. So we move ahead to strain it before doing what we have to do for the day. I must confess that hibiscus tea stopped my hair from itching, because like I did this treatment today, and trust me, it's really stopped my hair from itching. If you're looking for an itchy remedy tea, you can also consider hibiscus. So we move ahead to spraying this mixture into our hair. Like I earlier mentioned, hibiscus leaf marks gray hairs. So if you are done, or if you are really bothered about gray hair, why don't you also try hibiscus leaf? You cannot see the result instantly, but consistency will always give you whatever you want. So I always recommend consistency on this channel. If you have the patience to try any of this recipe for hair growth, please make sure you are consistent about it. If not, you won't see any results. But once you're consistent, trust me, you would see the desirable results that you're looking for. So we move ahead to spray this zobo into our scarf, and also we I don't even know what I was thinking at this point, but anyways, Tinubu is Tinubuing us all around the country. But then we move, I moist this conditioner into my hair and allow it. This is a leave-in conditioner. You don't have to rinse it, but if you want to rinse it, it's still fine. But on my own part, I did it as a leave-in conditioner. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't. Remember to like the video, and you can also do well by sharing it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all on my next video. Thank you and remain blessed.